If you ever found yourself struggling to navigate a difficult conversation at work or in your personal life, stay tuned and discover how to turn difficult conversations into productive ones with the AI Easy button. For those of you who are new to ChatGPT, it's incredibly versatile and can be used for a wide range of applications, from drafting emails to answering questions and even helping with problem solving. Now let's talk about difficult conversations. We've all been in situations where we need to address a sensitive topic, discuss a disagreement, or deliver potentially upsetting news. It can be stressful and challenging, but with the help of ChatGPT, we can approach these conversations more confidently and effectively. Before we get into how ChatGPT can help, let's first identify what makes a conversation difficult. Generally, these conversations involve strong emotions, high stakes, or opposing opinions. Examples could include discussing a pay raise with your boss, addressing a conflict with a colleague, or talking to a loved one about a troubling issue. So, how can ChatGPT help us in these situations? Here are 3 key ways. First, ChatGPT can help you prepare for the conversation by generating possible responses or scenarios, so you can anticipate potential reactions and plan your approach accordingly. For example, let's say you want to talk to your boss about a pay raise. You can type the situation into ChatGPT and it will generate ways to approach the conversation. Second, ChatGPT can help you practice your conversation. It can act as the other person in the dialogue, allowing you to rehearse and refine your approach. This practice can help you feel more confident and better prepared when the real conversation happens. Finally, ChatGPT's neutral and objective language can help us frame our thoughts and communicate clearly, even when emotions run high. Here's how ChatGPT can help. What are some ways that I can approach a difficult conversation with my spouse about some of their bad habits? Approaching a difficult conversation with your spouse about their bad habits can be challenging but necessary for a healthy relationship. Here are some tips on how to approach such a conversation. Choose the right time and place. Pick a moment when both of you are relaxed and have time to engage in a conversation. Avoid discussing the issue when you or your spouse are stressed, tired, or in a hurry. Be prepared. Before initiating the conversation, take some time to reflect on the specific bad habits you want to address and how they affect you and your relationship. This will help you articulate your thoughts more clearly. Use I statements. Instead of using accusatory language, express your feelings and concerns using I statements. For example, instead of saying, "You always leave your clothes everywhere," try saying, "I feel overwhelmed when I see clothes lying around the house." Focus on behavior, not character. Avoid making personal attacks or criticizing your spouse's character. Instead, focus on the specific behaviors that are causing the problem. Be empathetic, put yourself in your spouse's shoes, and try to understand their perspective. This will help you approach the conversation with empathy and understanding. Be open to feedback. Be prepared to listen to your spouse's point of view and be open to the possibility that you may also have habits that need addressing. Offer support. Instead of just pointing out the problem, offer suggestions and support to help your spouse overcome their bad habits. You can also share your own experiences or strategies that have helped you with similar issues. Stay calm and composed. Keep your tone calm and maintain a non-confrontational demeanor. Avoid raising your voice or displaying aggressive body language. Keep it private. Discuss sensitive issues in a private setting to avoid embarrassing your spouse or making them feel defensive. Be patient. Changing habits takes time and effort. Be prepared for setbacks and be patient as your spouse works on addressing their bad habits. Remember, your goal is to strengthen your relationship, not to win the argument. By approaching the conversation with empathy, understanding, and a focus on the specific behaviors causing concern, you can create a more positive environment for discussing and addressing your spouse's bad habits. And let's not forget to have our trusty assistant write a potential script. In this example, let's assume that one spouse, Spouse A, wants to address Spouse B's habit of spending too much time on their phone during family time. The conversation could play out as follows. Spouse A: "Hey, do you have a moment? I'd like to talk to you about something that's been on my mind lately." "Sure, what's up?" "I've noticed that you've been spending a lot of time on your phone during our family time, especially during dinner or when we're watching a movie together. I feel like it's affecting our connection, and I miss having quality time with you. I wanted to share my feelings and see if we can find a solution together." "Oh, I didn't realize it was affecting you that much. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to make you feel disconnected." I understand that you might not have realized it, and I appreciate your apology. I think it would be really helpful for our relationship if we could set some boundaries around phone use during family time. Maybe we can try putting our phones away during dinner or when we're watching a movie together. What do you think? That sounds reasonable. I can definitely try to be more mindful of my phone usage during those times. I know I can get carried away sometimes. I think we all can. It's important for us to be present with each other, and I'm glad we're on the same page about this. And if there's anything you think I can work on too, please don't hesitate to let me know. Thank you for bringing this up and for being understanding. I'll definitely try to be more present during our family time. Thank you for being open to this conversation. I'm looking forward to enjoying more quality time together. Remember that the tone of the conversation, empathy, and understanding are key elements in addressing a difficult topic effectively. So there you have it. A more effective and empathetic way to address a sensitive issue, thanks to ChatGPT's guidance. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips for using ChatGPT to navigate difficult conversations successfully. Be specific. Clearly explain the situation and desired outcome. Consider multiple generated responses, as they may offer unique perspectives that you hadn't thought of. Use ChatGPT to rehearse your conversation, refining your approach as needed. That's it for this episode of the AI Easy Button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more AI-based tips and tricks. Until next time, happy conversing!